back on the tutorial, and this is part 3 of this tutorial for the good and small ambient guide for WordPress, how to run a news website with WordPress. My name is Bruno Flavin, and the book is available for sale on Amazon. So all the code also is available on my GitHub account, and we were focusing on this part, which is a chapter 7, where we have the Makefile and the Docker file. So let's check. We are here. The machine has been launched, and we have made the part 3 and the part 2, meaning installation of Docker. Let me see. Okay, here we go. We have seen the install, Docker Compose Makefile that we can see here. We have just make a small insight on how to use a Helm eventually to improve the installation, and we are here in the part 3, and the part 1 was the thanks. I didn't note it down, but it was thanks to all the people. I just show you there, whoops, all the people that have enabled this experience that I have in Zambia. Anyway, so let's come back. So we're gonna go in the console right now. So here I am. I'm going to my console. It's very big because I'm short-sighted, so maybe I should less. So I can see all the stuff, and I can see that I have here my WordPress installation. Okay, I will go back and then launch the installation through Docker. I'm clearing my console. And what I want to see, I'm going to install it directly with the well-known 5-minute installation. Maybe I need to ensure first that, here we go, there. Oh, I don't need this. Here we go. The Makefile, and then I will make PS just to be sure that I have, it's not started, so I will stop them. I'm just sure that I have my Docker ready, and I make start, and everything is coming back again. Okay, and here we go. I will launch the install. So I'm up. I mean, all these Docker, DB, CLI, WordPress, and PHP, my name is up. Okay, so normally if I go there, I should see the very famous screen 5-minute install. That's what I see. And if I go there, sorry, it's PHP my admin that has been installed here. Okay, it's WordPress. This is the install for WordPress. This is the install for CLI, and this is the install for PHP my admin. What I want to show you is that the PHP my admin, if I take the MySQL user, that would be the user that would be used in the WP config. Here we go. So it's all the data is hard-coded, and that's what I was talking about the Helm. This can be output, but right now I rather for educational purpose leave it hard-coded. So as you can see, the Zambian WordPress database is empty. And I'm going to launch the installation. So let's just type a few things that will be ambient WordPress. And the users that I'm going to use will be admin, and I will use admin@test.com. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install my WordPress right now in English. Okay, ambient WordPress, and I put admin, and I confirm, and then I copy and paste my password, and I discourage, but it doesn't matter, it's still local, so I don't have to click. If I go there, and as you can see, there is, well, I can't remember me. As you can see, I will go there, and then you have all the install that is correct. Okay, and I'm on the last version, I guess. If I look at WordPress, what do I ask? 5.1. So he's been updated, and all my stuff are here. Okay. So basically, now I can do whatever I want. I mean, this is a full-featured WordPress, so I can create I can create an article. Okay. So there's a few things that I don't like. Well, anyway, I mean, it's like a regular WordPress. So let's say I want to create a category. Okay, I will test. Let's say test 1, and I put some description. And as you can see, okay. And I don't like so much the new post. So anyway, I will. Okay. And then I publish it. Yeah, go ahead. Here we go. And so I should be able to sit on the front now. Yeah, okay. So I'm done. I have made my own stuff. If I make stop, then it will stop, okay? And it won't work anymore, okay? You can see, and I will drop out from the PHP-MyAdmin, and I can make start again. So you see, it's very easy. The virtualization is working, is making start again, and then boom. So I'm still connected, and it's still responding. Here we go. You see? And what else can I show you? I can make CLI, which means that I will be inside my directory, inside my tree here, but with the full stuff. Okay, so for instance, I think I can use I can use some of the command that I have here, which mean that, for instance, I can use I'm in CLI, so I have installed it just to show you. Here we go. Just to show you that I have installed it, it was here. So I'm unable to go through this. You see, I'm in this currently directory, and I have it's like you being on a server. So what is fun is that you can have, for instance, you can list the plugin, and then I can ask for a plugin. So it depends on you. Okay, cool. And I will install this. I like this one because it's it's warning. So there's few there is few warning, but I don't care. And then I can see that this plugin should have been installed here. Okay, yeah, it's here. I can even see there. It has been activated. So basically, this plugin enables me to clone. And for instance, go. And it's much more easy when you have to do. And I can keep on. This is CLI, which is very, very fun when you are working with WordPress. You can even update. What I like is this one so much. Well, I mean, everybody. Well, I can change the theme. Let's do it. This is much more fun. That was the first command that I made, and I will look for something containing Bootstrap and the search, which is the equivalent if I search here. Here we go. The theme. I think it's no. It's add a new. I can't remember. How do you do that? Tamater. I can't remember. Add new, maybe. Yeah, that was here. Sorry, I made a mistake. And then it should show me all the same resources. You see, Bootstrap, LightPress, well, something like that. Okay, so I can pick up one of these. Let's say I think before I choose this one. Let me see. Yeah, it's here. I'm going to take this one, for instance. That's the reason why I've made this selection. Let's install it. The hashtag before is just to be sure that it's command. So it's installing and downloading. Again, there's a warning, but I don't really care. It depends on my internet connection and the availability of this theme. So it may fail, but I hope it will work. Yeah, it's installing. So yeah, and it's a switch. Okay, so normally I should see it there. Installed. So he's requiring few installation, but anyway, we will see how it produces. Yeah, cool. I have my Zambian WordPress. So basically you have your own environment installation, which is pretty useful for plugin development, for anything that can be useful when you're working on WordPress. Sorry, I should have come back to the main cover. And there's much explanation given in the in the book, and you have all these chapter. So basically you can see the table of content, because the training was basically to give the best practice how to run a website on WordPress, and specifically for news website. So I made a quick introduction to agile methods, the fact that editorial matters, which is not only the concern for news website, but also for any kind of website where releasing stuff, how to leverage, how to test the API and leverage on the API also, how to create plugin, Zambia plugin, what about the security, which is a big issue on WordPress and sometimes prevent people from using it. This was the 7th part. That's the part that I've just show in this video. And using Gitflow, it's like good practice between developers to use. It's a very common practice using Gitflow workflow with source tree, and all about speeding up the website and how to create a theme with the speed at the main concern of the creation, using gulp, stuff like that. Maybe it's deprecated now, this kind of usage, but still it's a good introduction to how to optimize stuff. And there's this testing WordPress, and this testing WordPress was so massive that I was forced to write these 2 other books about, I made a benchmark, and there was these 2 other books, which is I choose Conception and Concept.js to test, to leverage on WordPress. So basically this first book, and I want to thank again the Zambian people and the ZNBC. So I just show you the name of these people again, just to remember them. All these people, Mrs. Kapwepwe, Mr. Firi, Mr. Lusambo, and also Antoine and Megadi Chan, who sent me to Zambia. It was a very intense experience, so it has given me the opportunity to make 3 books. Okay, I'm done with it. It was just for fun. Let's go back here. I hope you like my work. I hope maybe it's interesting. It's a more editorials point of view or product owner point of view than technical. That's why I'm not diving too much into techniques, and that will be the same. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy, and see you soon, whether on my GitHub account or on my YouTube channel. See you then. Bye-bye.